then you see that stone over there? That's where we buried the old prospector.
Oh yeah,
with all the owners.
You got to tell me about that story.
Okay. What happened is you see that cable. You see, we need it. That cable is it's a telephone cable. It's not an electric cable. It's a telephone cable. And it used to be low. And every time the 18-wheelers come over, whatever was sitting in the parking lot, had to come out with a stick, a fork stick, and hold it up. And sometimes they had to wait for us, and the truck drivers that went to the state house, they get mad at us because we don't know that. So one day, Bob decided to bring a pole and race it. And here, this parking lot, at that time was no parking lot, it was like a big watch. And Bob should bring a backhoe, and a friend of mine, who's a friend of ours, bring 5 gallons of fuel. And he sticks his finger and smells it, and there was fuel. The problem was that it was full of water and a little fuel on top. And we put in the backhoe, and we killed the engine. Well, we don't know later. And then he went backwards, and I started digging. And all of a sudden I saw a leg bone. And I tried to tell him that, hey, it's a human bone. But signal because it was too noisy. And he thought I was digging, trying to get it deeper. The next thing, the skull come up with the stitches smiling. And then she understood what I was talking. But looking back, hindsight's 2020, the spirit of the man, he was there and he wanted to be disturbed. Looking back.
Yeah.
And we bring the chairs, he got a trip to Florence, then to Tucson and come back. And we born here at Ghost Town. But not too many people know that post is right on top of his grave.
Ah.
And that's a beautiful story because we go back to the 1800s, and after 100 years, he got it right to Florence, but because of the medical examiner, and then all the way to Tucson and back, and he's buried over there. Over there. I buy a Lost Dutchman buckle, and we put it on his coffin. So someday when somebody uncover it, we hope that the Lost Dutchman legend carry on. A beautiful belt buckle.
Cool.
Yeah, they only make like 250 belt buckles for everybody, and he took one of them. So we need to go over there, this way, rediscover or whatever. We hope that the Lost Dutchman legend is still alive. So that's part of the deal. And there is the plaque where Bob thanked me for helping to rebuild the ghost town.
Oh, your plaque is over here?
Yeah.
Let's see that.
And that means to me more than money and everything else.
Yeah.
That was his uncle.
That was what?
Luis C. Gargaleone was Bob's uncle.
Ah.
He was funny. He was Italiano, but he was an old Italian, so he don't play, and we kind of give him a hard time. So when people say, "Oh, you never been that long in this mountain," let them talk.